How to get a job at Regal Films. I'm going to tell you how to get a job at Regal Films. The process starts online. Go to the Regal Careers page and look up openings near you. Positions like usher, concession, or box office. You'll need to be at least 16 years old for most roles, and in some locations, a bit older if alcohol is served. Once you find a job, fill out the application. Be sure to highlight your availability, especially nights, weekends, and holidays, since those are the busiest times. After applying online, it can really help to stop by the theater in person and let a manager know you're interested. And if they like your application, you'll get a phone or in person interview. Expect questions about customer service, handling crowds, and working under pressure. If all goes well, you'll complete a background check, go through orientation, and start training. And that's how you land a job at Regal Cinemas.